Good morning, nursery. I hope you're all okay today and ready for our math session. Today, in our number work, I would like us to start thinking about one more. So we're going to be finding numbers from 1 to 5, all those numbers that you've learnt so far, and then seeing if you can work out how many there would be if there were one more. So if your number was a little bit bigger. Let's start off with our number gang. See if you can remember all of our numbers and all of our rhymes. And today, because we've practiced these quite a lot lately, I think we can do them super speedy. Are you up for the challenge? Yes, I bet you are. 3. Round the tree, then we have Mr. 3. Super. 4. Down the wall, across the floor, out the door is Mr. 4. Round her eye, down her nose, Mrs. 222. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Mr. 1 goes for a run. Now it's time to get a little bit speedy. 3. 2. Good. 1. Amazing work. Well done, nursery. You really know your numbers. Take one hand and give yourself a pat on the back. Good. Right. For your activity today then, everybody, I would like you to read it, write it and draw it. So this is quite similar to our rolling the dice activity, but instead of rolling it, I would like somebody in your house to give you a challenge number. It can be any number of our number gangs, any number from 1 to 5, and if they write the number in the top box for you, first of all, you need to read it and work out which number they have written. Then we are going to be writing one more and drawing one more than that number. It's a little bit tricky. I will show you what we mean. So, I'm going to pretend that my mummy is here today, and my mummy is going to give me a challenge number. I think she's going to give me this number. Round the tree, then we have Mr. 3. So, my mummy would write a number 3, first of all. Easy peasy. So all I have to do is look at that number and read it, work out which number it is. And that's super, super easy because I know my number gang rhymes. And I recognise that number 3 is round the tree, then we have Mr. 3. And then remember, here comes the tricky bit. We are going to write one more and draw one more. So I need to work out what that is. Remember, you can use anything at all from around your house to help you with your counting and to help you with your number work. I have got our blocks from our maths area, but you might have toys or figures or cans of beans, anything at all, it really doesn't matter. And because my number today is 3, I have counted out 1, 2, 3 of my modern blocks. Now I'm not going to write 3 and I'm not going to draw 3. I need to write one more. So I will need to take from my basket another block, one more block. That means my number is going to be a little bit bigger, a little bit higher. If I pop my one more here and count them all together now, so I've got the 3 I started with and I want one more. How many have I got? Can you help me count along, please? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, nursery. So I know that one more than 3 is 4. If I had 3 and then I added one more, like we've just done together, we would have 4 all together. So I know that is what I need to write in this box here. 3, 1 more than 3 is 4. And I can use my number gang rhyme to help me. Down the wall, across the floor, out the door is Mr. 4. Fantastic! Then once you've worked out what 1 more is, this last bit is super easy. All I need to do now is draw it. And you can draw it however you want. You can represent your number in lots of different ways. You might draw 4 little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might want to do tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you could represent 4 in a 5 frame like we were practicing last week, sorry. 1, 2. So I've got 5 spaces on my 5 frame and I need to fill in 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could even have a little go of drawing your toys or your figures or your cans of beans, or in my case, the wooden blocks. Instead, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can represent your numbers in lots of different ways. You might draw them like you would see them on a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a little go of that. I wonder how many different ways you can find of representing your 1 more than number. I would like you all to try this with at least 1 number today. So reading the challenge number that your mummies or daddies or brothers or sisters give you, finding out what 1 more is for me to write it, and then drawing it in some different ways underneath. You might even, if you're really, really, really good at this, and if you would like even more of a challenge, your mummies and daddies could give you a new challenge number, and you could have a little try of lots of Number Gang 1 more than today. Good luck with that activity, everybody. I know it's a little bit tricky today, but I know you can do it. So good luck and enjoy. I will see you all this afternoon. Have a great day. Bye.